Today, we are diving into one of the most dynamic, most influential families on the entire periodic table. Now, you might not know their name, but I promise you, they are all around you in stuff you use every single day.
All right, so let's start with a little riddle. What do your toothpaste, a swimming pool, and the salt on your dining table all have in common? I mean, think about it. They seem totally unrelated, right? But believe it or not, they share a secret chemical connection.
The answer? They are all made possible by one single fascinating family of chemical elements, the halogens. So, what makes this chemical family so special? Well, it really all comes down to their shared personality. To put it simply, they are one of the most reactive groups of elements in existence. You know, their name actually gives us a huge clue. Halogen literally means salt former, and that pretty much perfectly describes their most famous trick, reacting with metals to create salts, just like the sodium chloride table salt on your fries. And if you want to find them, their family home is right here, in the second to last column of the periodic table, group 17. It's kind of the perfect neighborhood for elements with their particular disposition. Okay, so now that we know where they live, let's actually meet the individual members of the family. Each one has its own distinct identity, even though they all share that same core family trait. So, here's the roll call. We've got fluorine, the one that keeps our teeth strong. Then there's chlorine, which keeps our water safe to drink. Bromine, a key ingredient in flame retardants. Iodine, a powerful antiseptic. And last up is astatine, which is super rare and radioactive. For this explainer, we're going to focus mostly on those first four. Really, the best way to think about them is like a family of siblings. You know, they each have different levels of intensity, but they are all driven by the exact same powerful motivation. So, what is that shared trait? It's a fundamental chemical need to react. It's not just something they like to do. It is literally coded into their very structure. And this number is the key to understanding everything about them. 7. That's how many electrons each halogen has in its outermost shell. And that outer shell, that's where all the chemical action happens. Which brings us to the crucial point. See, in the world of atoms, having 8 outer electrons is the ultimate goal. It's a state of perfect stability. The halogens are just agonizingly close, with 7. They are perpetually one single electron away from being complete. This gives them a really simple playbook. Step 1, have 7 outer electrons. That leads directly to step 2, desperately, and I mean desperately, want just one more. And that brings us to step 3, react aggressively with almost anything they meet to snatch that final electron and find stability. But, you know, just like in any family, the siblings have different intensities. Fluorine, sitting at the top of the column, is the most aggressive of the bunch. It's the smallest, so its power to attract electrons is just off the charts. It will literally rip an electron from almost anything. But as you go down the family tree, they get a little bit more mellow. Iodine, for instance, is much more selective about who it reacts with. So, how does this all play out in the real world? This intense need to react isn't just some chemical curiosity. It's something we've actually learned to harness in our everyday lives. This table lays it out perfectly. Fluorine's intense reactivity helps it bond to our tooth enamel and fight cavities. Chlorine uses that aggression to act as a powerful disinfectant, killing germs in pools and our drinking water. Bromine's ability to mess with combustion makes it a fantastic fire retardant in electronics. And iodine's reaction with germs makes it an amazing antiseptic for cuts and scrapes. So here's the key takeaway. Their defining chemical personality, that relentless, desperate drive to grab one more electron, is the very reason they are so incredibly useful to us. We've essentially given their aggression a job to do. But, and this is a big but, that same power comes with a really serious warning. This reactivity isn't just useful, it can also be incredibly dangerous. It absolutely cuts both ways. And this really gets to the heart of it. In its pure form, chlorine is a toxic gas. Fluorine is one of the most reactive and dangerous substances known to science. Their power to destroy germs and stop fires is also a power that can harm living tissue if it isn't handled with enormous respect. So ultimately, the halogens are a perfect lesson in chemistry itself. They show us how we can harness the fundamental forces of nature for incredible good. But they also remind us that these forces are powerful, and they demand our respect. And the halogens, they're just one family with one incredible story. The periodic table is full of them. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other amazing chemical stories are playing out all around us, just hiding in plain sight?